This is Hollywood Picture Films, co-produced by Synergy. And here's the table sec of Shadow Conspiracy. And was put on March 20th, 1998.
Now available to own on video cassette. When your team's spirit is a ghost, miracles can happen.
You need some serious help. I'm fine.
Dreams can come true.
The UW Huskies march on to the Great Eight.
And white men can jump. Marlon Wayans, Kadeem Hardison, The Sixth Man. Rated PG-13. Martin's a hitman, going home to his high school reunion.
Hi, how are you?
And critics are firing off praise for this hysterically different new film.
You want to tell me what that means?
Rolling Stone magazine says it's a bright burst of action and comedy. John Cusack is brutally funny.
Yeah, whatever.
It's startlingly original. And critics call Grosse Point Blank more fun than Pulp Fiction.
I should have brought my gun.
What?
Should be fun.
Grosse Point Blank.
Now available to own on video.
Sorry, did I break your concentration? To be continued.
Now, from ESPN Video, Darrell Waltrip, Rusty Wallace, and Terry Labonte want to take you for a little ride. Introducing the NASCAR Drivers Series. Your chance to own the memories and the milestones of the men behind the wheels. It all starts with Darrell Waltrip, Quicksilver. Follow Darrell's brilliant career as 1997 marked his silver anniversary on the NASCAR circuit.
More than anything, you see his love for his family.
It's an in-the-pits, behind-the-scenes look at the man who's done it all. Next on the starting line, Rusty Wallace in the driver's seat. Get up close with the 1989 Winston Cup Series champ.
Rusty, he knew about that car from one end to the other.
It's an intimate look at one of Winston Cup's elite. At the pole position, Terry Labonte, turning iron into gold. Listen to radio chatter as Terry and his crew clinch the 96 championship in Atlanta.
Congratulations, man.
Witness this look at the making of a race champion. It's all on ESPN's NASCAR Driver Series from ESPN Video. Ask for these and other NASCAR videos where you buy videos, or to order, call 1-800-717-ESPN. If they were any more real, your couch would need an airbag.
Coming soon to own on video cassette.
He's a U.S. Ranger. Highly decorated. Did a little hell raising when he was a kid, but nothing serious. He's defending his wife. Got in a drunken brawl. And he killed a guy. Could have happened to you or me.
After serving the last of his sentence, Cameron Poe is taking the first plane home to his wife and daughter.
Today's flight is a special one. We're populating Louisiana's Felton Penitentiary. These guys are the worst of the worst.
See a lot of celebrities among us. I see 11 primetime live, 3 Regents and Kathy Lees, and a genuine 2020 interviewee.
What you looking at, punk?
Nothing, I was just admiring your cage.
But one wrong flight
Stewardess, what's the in-flight movie today?
can ruin your whole day.
What happened? We caught the plane, man!
Welcome to Con Air.
Jailbird 1, you are not cleared for takeoff.
Hey, nobody on this aircraft gives a flying.
The issue here is how the plane is brought down.
Shoot it down. There are innocent people up there.
Got a little girl from home. He's been waiting for this day for 8 years.
What are you gonna do? What do you think I'm going to do? I'm gonna save the day.
It's time. Experience what critics call explosive, high-energy action.
Is that your car?
A pure adrenaline rush.
Got the whole world in his hand.
From Jerry Bruckheimer, the producer of The Rock. Nicolas Cage, John Cusack, John Malkovich.
Where are they gonna land this thing?
How do you feel about the blackjack tables?
Get ready and buckle up. Con Air, directed by Simon West.
Thank you, and have a pleasant flight.
Coming soon to own on video.
And now, our feature presentation.
Death Cells and Modified Virtual Versions, the format for your TV.